Hi, my name is Ezekiel Milestone, and this is a smart punching bag. This is my third milestone. I got the whole stand set up and ready. The bag works. Originally the plan was to have another bag here, but because of some weight issues I can't have the other bag here. Instead I have it back there as a counterweight. So there's an accelerometer in here that measures the force of the punch. And the way I got over the whole swinging aspect of this is that there's a minimum force that needs to be applied before it reads anything. So it has to be at least 16 newtons, which means this bag has to be moving at least 10 meters per second. So if I want to punch it, right, it has to be moving at least 10 meters per second first to start even reading it. The coding is pretty basic. The only thing I've added from the first milestone, the only thing I've added was a force variable where force head is equal to 6 times the acceleration, which equals 2 newtons, right? So yeah, some hard parts was getting the structure to work and figuring out how to get the counterweight to equal out this, so the whole thing won't fall on anybody or anything. What else? Oh right, another really hard part was getting this hook on without getting everything to fall over, or like this hook mount everything. And so the next steps would be probably to add Bluetooth so you can see it from your phone when you're punching. And hopefully maybe I can get something that has a net force equation to work on this, so I can calculate more accurately your force that you're putting on this. So yeah, for the structure, it's all made of PVC, except these are 2 steel bars to keep the stand from bending forward. And there's a counterweight with some string in the back. This is some string and a camber. And everything's basically connected with PVC, cement, or zip ties to make sure you can undo everything in case you want to fix it, improve it, whatever. And there's these weights on the bottoms to make sure that when you punch it, it won't flip back either. So a very big part of the force limitations on this is how much these weights are. The heavier the weight, the harder it is to move it back. So if you were to put, right now I have 15 pounds on each side, so roughly equal to that. But if you put more weight and more weight as a counterweight, it'll be sturdier and can handle more force. This sadly I was planning to make it also handle kicks, but since I don't have enough weight, nor the structure is sturdy enough to handle a kick, it's only for punching and boxing. So yeah, if you want I can demonstrate the force. So if I punch it, you get the acceleration and then you get the force. The max force is 104.24, which is 100 kilograms per meter seconds of force, or 104 newtons, which is basically an average boxing jab. If you use a cross hand or anything stronger than that, you'll tilt the structure. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.